bolts are grabbing. Nobody understands.
You got it.
Make up my mind.
Oh, I was waiting for you to make up mine. Get back here and let him do the interview. You can't stand back here, Jay. Start going to the camera and tell them what you did.